Hey crew, Artisan Pirate here. Welcome back to the workshop and welcome to the YouTube channel. Now it's my hopes that on the channel you are currently viewing that we feature a lot of cool, creative, and hopefully inspiring content for you all to enjoy wherever you are viewing these videos in the big wide world we live in. Now I am primarily known as a scroll saw woodworking artist. That's mainly what I do out here in the workshop, and that is what the Monday videos will always be about over here on this channel. It'll be a scroll saw project video uploaded every Monday from start to finish, so I can show you all the versatility of what a scroll saw is capable of out in a garage or a workshop. I feel like the scroll saw is a bygone tool, and it is my hopes that I can keep it a relevant tool in a garage or workshop going forward in the digital age we now live in. But please be aware, not only am I a scroll saw artist, I also like to make projects over on the CNC machine, over on the laser engraver. I like to experiment with other tools out in the workshop just to see the potential of what can be made with your hands, and I love bringing the cameras out here and taking you all on the journey with me. It's my hopes that I can inspire, educate, elevate, and of course motivate you all out in your garage or workshops, and hopefully inspire you to make some beautiful and creative handmade objects. But please also keep in mind, I upload throughout the week. Monday again is for scroll saw project videos, but throughout the week I'll occasionally upload other videos showcasing my other interests. I like to go out and about and show you places that I like to go to, that I have nostalgia for. I also like showing off like my Hot Wheels, model trains, comic collections, and things like that. I just enjoy sharing everything with you all out there in the big wide world, and I hope that everyone who has clicked that subscribe button has enjoyed the content that I have been making for nearly 10 years over here on this YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media links are down in the description box below these videos. And please also keep in mind, I am a part of pretty much every major social media platform, and I hope you all will go there and reach out to me. I love striking up a conversation, and I love giving people the leg up. If they are new to scroll saw woodworking, I'm always happy to strike up a conversation, offer advice, and offer my experience. I have been scroll sawing since I was 14 years of age, and at the time of this video's recording, I am in my late 30s. But I hope you all follow along on the journey as I once again hopefully make cool, creative, and inspiring videos for you all to view out there in the big wide world we live in. Thank you all for stopping by the Artisan Pirate YouTube channel, and I hope to see you all real soon.